Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can very easily fix the situation if you would like to make your Instagram account private. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments after watching, and also friends, put your likes under this video. So let's get started. And first of all friends, please open Instagram on your device. Now the next thing you need to do is go to your page. And if you don't have a private account, you can do that very easily in a few steps. So first of all, you'll need to click on the three bars at the top right to go to your privacy settings. Now scroll down to the bottom, click on Management and Control Tools. Now toggle the account type. And this is where you'll need to switch to personal account to begin with if you haven't already. Select personal account and then confirm what you're doing and wait just a few seconds. You can go back to your page for reliability. Swipe. So you'll see that you're no longer a blogger or photographer or creator and so on, which means that you have your personal account. Then you have to click on the three bars and then select Account Privacy. And now click on the very first option, Private Account. Now friends, you will need to confirm your action at the bottom. And then, friends, your account will become private, which means that you will no longer be able to be followed by anyone else. That is, for example, your new posts and stories will be seen only by those who are subscribed to you. This is a very quick and easy way to increase your privacy on Instagram and make your page private. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments under this video, and also put your likes. See you soon.